Okay, so let's look at factors for the right message. So tone is the mood and feel. Should be appropriate for the message, whether fun for a party or serious for a meeting. So the tonality of the wording is very important, because if it's a weak tonality, not strong of a mood, slow pacing, if it's audible message, weak wording, stuttering, and not short to say or do, then it can destroy the message. The tonality of wording, whether you want it to be perceived as serious and strong and powerful, it needs to reflect that. It needs to be present. The tonality has to be there. And the feeling of welcoming, reassurance, or assertiveness and strength depends on things. And it's down to you to decide that. What do you want? Do you want to be perceived as fun or serious? Your choice. So language, which should be appropriate to get the right message across. So it's all subjective. It's what you want. It's your message, your choice, your tonality, your mood. How do you want to be perceived? How do you want to be seen? How do you want your message to appear as? Serious, strong, or fun and friendly? Your choice. How cool is that? And layout, which means that the only most vital and relevant information needs to be visible. So if you're writing something, you're writing a letter, only the most important information needs to be visible. Anything that's relevant, that they need to know, which is applicable to them, applicable to the reader or the audience. Information that the audience needs to know. What is applicable to them? What can they apply? What do they need to know? Everything else, anything else not important, is a distraction. Distraction. You don't need it. This letter could have easily been a lot longer. But all the information is not needed. I don't need it. And it's addressed to me. If I don't need it, it doesn't need to be there. If it's not there, then it doesn't affect me. It's not important. I don't need to know. It's not for me. Because if you include, if there is too much information that is not applicable, then your message loses clarity. What's going on? What's that? What's this? What's that? What's happening? What's clarity? What? What was that? What does it look like? What? What's this? Clarity. I don't know. I don't know. Yes. Clarity. Always keep clarity, yes. How cool is that? There we are, clarity. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.